You know, in this business, you learn pretty quickly that the most expensive machine in the lot isn't always the smartest investment. We've been having that conversation with landscapers for a long time, and lately, one comparison keeps coming up again and again at the shop: the Exmark Laser Z versus the Grasshopper MidMount 300G series. Both are zero-turn mowers, both handle commercial workloads, and on paper, when you're looking at a 61-inch deck side by side, they can seem pretty similar. But here's where it gets interesting. The Exmark Laser Z is a capable machine no one's going to tell you otherwise. It's built for heavy use, and it performs well on large open ground. But that premium comes with a premium price. And when you start thinking about maintenance costs, parts, and the complexity that builds up over time, that gap gets wider every season. The Grasshopper 300G series takes a different approach. It's built for the operator who needs commercial-grade performance without all the financial pressure. Lower upfront cost, simpler maintenance, easier access to components so your machine stays running instead of sitting in the shop. For a growing business, that difference isn't just dollars, it's flexibility. It's the ability to add a second unit, take on more properties, and build a fleet that actually scales with you. Because at Grasshopper Mowers, we're not just looking at what gets you through this season. We're looking at where your business needs to be in 10 years, 20 years, when the next generation picks up the keys. Anyone can sell you the most expensive machine on the lot. We're here to help you find the one that makes the most sense for your operation, your budget, and your future. First to finish, built to last.